Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I am going to show you how I made delicious black sesame cupcakes. To start off, I put the wet ingredients and the black sesame powder in a mixing bowl. Then, I mixed it well together. Next, I added the dry ingredients and combined it with everything. Afterwards, I put the mixture into a Babycakes cupcake maker and baked it for 12 minutes. You can also bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once the cupcakes cooled completely, I decorated the top with black sesame vanilla buttercream frosting. The outcome of the black sesame cupcakes smelled and tasted so delicious. So have you tried black sesame desserts before? If you or someone you know likes black sesame, then I highly recommend this recipe. If you like this video, please share it with others. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.